Folks, it's Mark again with Inbound Revenue. I'm going to walk you through a quick case study on an orthodontal client that focuses in on emergency and on tooth replacement, two big things in the orthodontic market. I'm going to show you starting out roughly a year ago from today, back in January of 2024. We had a campaign that had only recently started, and we were hitting a decent 13% conversion rate. Not terrible. We typically aim for 10 to 30%, but we'll take higher, of course. And then at this time, we were not even running this branded campaign. You can see there's no activity there. So let's jump forward roughly a year and let's go to the last 30 days and see where we're at. So now you can see this is the value of really sticking in with a campaign and over time running experiments and testing offers and testing different things. We're not talking about a huge budget here, but over time, we were able to increase this conversion rate in the past year from 13% to we're now running about 57% conversion rate over the last 30 days. And it's been that about all year and back a little further into 2024. You notice that it's not all branded stuff like PMAX or something like that. These are genuine search terms for those services that we're really focused on. And then there's a separate branded campaign, which is interesting because the branded campaign converting at 30%, that's great, but it's actually considerably less than the search campaign that we're running. Now, when we first started this out, we were running probably just phrase match at one point. We might have run exact match at one point. But what's interesting is because this campaign is mature now, it's been running for a while. We've had time to work on it, had time to experiment. The client stuck in there and, hung in there through the 12% conversion rates and is now reaping the benefit of the 57% conversion rate. What's interesting is that in this single themed ad group that you'll see here, I'll move myself out of the way, there's several services that are really sucking up the budget here. But what I want you to notice about implants and emergency dental care, first of all, those are both big deals in the orthodontic space. But what's really cool is that these are all broad match keywords that you see in here. So these are the keyword phrases that are converting. They're all broad match. It's because we build out an extensive negative because that we've really zoned these campaigns in over time. They're running max conversions. They're actually running max conversions at a target CPA of 100, and we're bringing in lead costs at what? Conversion rate, cost per conversion is, my head's in the way. Cost conversion is $30, which is just amazing and ridiculous. So it's possible to obtain great results in almost any space if you hang in there long enough, if you experiment, if you continue to do the things that you have to do as a Google Ads expert to get your campaign where it needs to go, and if the client hangs in there long enough with you to reap the benefits. Now they have a long-term flow of high-quality leads, and they can literally turn it up when they need to because they're very limited by budget. Thanks. If you have any questions, if you are looking for a provider, either a white label provider for your agency, or you're looking for someone to help you with your dental clinic or your business, reach out to us, inboundrevenue.com. I'm Mark Kelly. You can please, first of all, like and subscribe to this channel, and then reach out to me personally. I'm on Facebook, LinkedIn, and X, as well as inboundrevenue.com, and right here on YouTube. Talk to you all later.